Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Aarsun Woods. Another bed design in teak wood, white and gold paint. White and gold paint means it's white, the base is white, and gold is the highlighted color. So some parts are highlighted in gold color, and it has got two nightstands with two side tables and a storage unit. This one is with storage, and this one is going to Hyderabad, India itself. About the bed designs, when we talk about, there are few things to understand. First thing is the size. जब हम एक बेड की डबल बेड की बात करते हैं तो साइज पहली चीज होती है जो हमें समझनी चाहिए. इंडिया में एक नॉर्मल डबल बेड का साइज होता है 72 बाय 78, 6 बाय 6.5 फीट का मैट्रेस एरिया, गद्दे का एरिया. मैं बेड के साइज की बात नहीं कर रहा हूं, मैं बात कर रहा हूं गद्दे के साइज की. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द मैट्रेस साइज हियर, 6 by 6.5 feet India size in India. Out of India, there are different sizes, and there's a whole chart that is displayed on the website. If you want to understand which size works in your area, your country, you can visit the section and you will find all the description there. We have compiled the entire information. Now, other thing is storage or without storage. आपको बीच में storage चाहिए या नहीं चाहिए. स्टोरेज डिपेंड करती है दो चीजों पे. पहला डिजाइन, दूसरा मैट्रेस का साइज. मैट्रेस 4 इंच, 5 इंच, 8 इंच, 10 इंच, 12, 15, 18 इन साइज में आते हैं. 18 से ऊंचे ही मैट्रेस आते हैं. सो मैट्रेसेस रेंज फ्रॉम 4 इंचेस to up to 2 feet. Very thick mattresses are also available. If you are using any mattress that is quite thick, then storage doesn't work. This one is made for 8 inches thick mattress. So the mattress will come up to this point. So 8 inches thick mattress, and the comfortable height would be 22 inches with the mattress. And maximum 2 feet is the height, sitting height, that we can use in a regular bed. Above that, it gets very uncomfortable because we have to climb up and climb down while using the bed. So that's an optimum height for a normal height person. Wood and color. This is in teak wood. Our work is 99% teak wood because that's the best wood for furniture and is globally acceptable as the best wood for making furniture. The other part is in teak wood, we can get very fine carvings just like the one you're looking at, and the wood is good enough to hold the carving. Few woods are very soft. If you talk about mango wood or neem wood, they are very soft woods. So if you start carving on that, the carving doesn't tend to hold its place. तो अगर हम एक जगह छिलाई कर रहे हैं, मान लीजिए हमने यहाँ पर नखूनी लगा के हमने छिलाई की, तो वो पूरा पोर्शन आगे तक कट कर देगी, उखड़ जाता है. तो these kind of soft wood doesn't work in carving. Very hard woods like sal or high quality shisham woods, they are very hard woods. In very hard woods again, hand carving is a tough job. Teak wood is naturally termite resistant and is a nice wood for carving. Colors and fabric. Color is your choice. We have shown you almost all the options available with us. We have shown you natural finish, darker finish, gold color, silver, off-white, white, black, and multicolor, triple shade, dual shade, almost all the colors that are generally visible in the market. We have done that and shown in the past 600 videos. You can see it there if you like any particular color. About the back and front height now. See, when we have a regular bed, a regular one that doesn't have any carving, that's mostly made out of veneer and MDF and plywood, जो प्लेन बेड्स होते हैं उनकी मैक्सिमम हाइट बैक की होती है 4 फीट, अराउंड 4 फीट. वो स्ट्रेट बैक होते हैं. Carving requires space. If we don't have this kind of space on the top, we cannot give that Maharaja look to our sets. Our furniture is Maharaja furniture. So with the Taj work, this Taj that you see on the bed, we finally get the Maharaja furniture look in our units. Back height for this one is 5 feet. That's almost, that's the height normally we require to make carving designs. Higher the bed goes, gives more grand look. So if you have a look on our heavy carved units, you'll find them around 6.5, 7 feet high also. Front side, this is 30 inches, 2.5 feet high till the center point. And again, that depends on the design part, how the design is. This has got two nightstands. The nightstand is 22 inches, front to back 15 inches, and the height again is 22. I can open the storage for this one. It's a hydraulic storage, so easy to open, easy to close, and very simple installation also. About the fabric part. Fabric is your choice. This fabric is plain, it doesn't have a tufting. If you want tufting, that can also be done. But generally the tufting is done on plain fabric, the fabric that doesn't have a texture. टेक्सचर वाले फैब्रिक पर टफ्टिंग जनरली नहीं होती, क्योंकि जो एक टेक्सचर का डिजाइन चल रहा है, अगर हम टफ्टिंग करते हैं क्रिस क्रॉस में तो खराब हो जाता है. विद टफ्टिंग द डिजाइन दैट इज मूविंग, इट टेंड्स टू गेट अ लिटिल आउट. दैट्स व्हाई these kind of fabrics are not preferred in tufting. Plain fabrics do work, or leatherette, a lot of people do use that also. Now this unit, as you're looking at, I'll explain one more point, and this I have explained earlier also. When we have these kind of designs, these are mostly Italian or Egyptian kind of designs. And when we have those designs out of India, mostly storage concept doesn't work. इंडिया से बाहर स्टोरेज का कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं है. ज़्यादातर जो हम बेड बेचते हैं, कोई भी जल्दी से स्टोरेज नहीं मांगता. इसीलिए जो डिज़ाइंस होते हैं थोड़े से एलिवेटेड टाइप होते हैं. द डिज़ाइंस आर लिटिल एलिवेटेड टाइप, जस्ट लाइक द वन यू लुकिंग एट. ऑन द फ्रंट, द लोअर पार्ट इज अ लिटिल एलिवेटेड फ्रॉम द ग्राउंड. With storage, there is a slight issue here, because with the elevation, as you're looking from the front, you can see the storage quite visible. This thing is technically, we cannot change anything, we cannot do anything about this, because this is the design. Either we change the design entirely, we make it flat kind of design from the bottom, or we have to remove the storage. But this is how the design is. About the pricing, see, these kind of units are premium and royal furniture, and these are not regular units. Regular units are made in plywood or veneer or with MDF. These are teak wood, solid teak wood stuff, and high quality painted, high gloss painted. It requires a lot of time to make these units. Around 1.5 months is spent to make one unit, and that's a lot of time. So prices, you can contact us and we can let you know. This is not cheap furniture or standard item that 20-30,000 you can get these kind of beds. It requires time and it's not a regular unit. If you want an indication, price का एक indication जानना चाहते हैं आप, तो हमारी वेबसाइट aarsunwoods.com पर जाइए. वहाँ पर सेक्शंस हैं हर आइटम के, बेड्स के, सोफास के, डाइनिंग्स के. तो सेक्शन में आप जाकर चेक कीजिए, आपको काफ़ी सारे इंडिकेशन प्राइस के मिल जाएंगे. प्राइस डिपेंड करता है यूनिट पर, कलर्स पर, फैब्रिक्स पर, स्टोरेज पार्ट, विदाउट स्टोरेज, विद स्टैंड, विद नाइट स्टैंड, विदाउट नाइट स्टैंड. जो भी आप चाहेंगे उसके अकॉर्डिंग प्राइस निकलता है. फिर उसके बाद होता है पैकिंग एंड ट्रांसपोर्टेशन एंड GST. ये सब मिला के एक प्राइस निकलता है. आउट ऑफ इंडिया के लिए कुछ अलग रूल्स हैं, कुछ अलग एक्सपेंसेस हैं, पैकिंग अलग होती है. ये सब चीजें मिलाकर हम एक प्राइस निकालते हैं. तो आप हमें कांटेक्ट कीजिए, हम आपको आपकी रिक्वायरमेंट के हिसाब से प्राइस निकाल कर देंगे. कोई भी क्वेश्चन है, इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चन, यू आर मोस्ट वेलकम टू आस्क अस. एनी फीडबैक, एनी कमेंट्स, एनी सजेशंस, प्लीज लेट अस नो. विल बी हैप्पी टू हियर फ्रॉम यू. For more videos, you can check Aarsun on YouTube. There are approximately 600 videos for our stuff, actual stuff, real stuff that I can touch, I can show you from any angle. Hope you like it. Our work, handwork made by artisan, the quality of Aarsun, and going across the globe. Hope you like it. Thank you so much.